How to create new Yahoo email account on PC. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can just go over and start by opening up a browser. You can open up any of the browser available that you have. And once you open it up, you can just go over to yahoo.com or directly search for create Yahoo, hit enter, and when you do, you'll be finding this option. We can click on the very first link that appears on our screen and fill in our details. So just go over and go to the sign up page, and within the sign up page we can find the section where we can create up a new Yahoo account. So first of all, provide in your first name. Just go over and do so what your first name is, and then your last name, and then your new Yahoo email and your password. Once it is done, you also need to enter your date of birth and your you can agree to the terms and conditions of it, click on next and go ahead and do so. Otherwise, you can also use Google or use existing email instead and verify your phone number. So let's create one, for example, using a Gmail account. So once you use a Gmail account, you will be directly logged in. You just need to go over and enter up your confirm it up by entering in the verification code or anything. You can verify your OTP, like verify your phone. You can enter the OTP code sent to your phone number as well or the email address. And once you do so, you will be verified very easily. So once you've filled in your details, like your username, your password, and everything, when you do your Yahoo account should be created very easily. You just need to verify it with the OTP, and now your new account is ready. You can just go over and now access it via Yahoo email or the website. And while doing so, you can always choose a very unique username and also use a strong password while you're trying to create an account, and keep your phone number also very active, which is needed for the recovery. But this is how we basically create up a Yahoo account. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.